Hello there. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can exactly use Discord bots for moderation on your server. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First of all, simply go ahead and log in into your Discord account on any browser that you prefer using, or you could also simply go ahead and log in into your Discord account on your Discord application on your PC. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and then search for Discord bots list. So this is a website where you can simply go ahead and spot one of the best Discord bots on the internet. So simply go ahead and click on moderation right over here and click on cancel. Now, as you can see, it's going to show you all the bots that are being used at the worldwide in order for moderation. So for example, if I want to add Arcane, I'm simply going to go ahead and click on add and then click on invite Arcane, and then it's going to ask me to go ahead and invite it to my server, and then I'm going to simply go ahead and give it all the permissions, click on authorize, and once you've done that, just do this human captcha thing, and then it's going to simply go ahead and join your server. So there you go, and perfect. So click on continue to Discord, and there you go. So now, as you can see on your server, if you go ahead and check and go to your public text, or you simply go ahead and check into where your Arcane is welcomed, you can simply see that Arcane has connected to your server. And now once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and look at all its commands. So simply go ahead and look for the commands, which you can simply go ahead and go to dashboard, and this is exactly where you simply go ahead and authorize it one more time, and then as you can see, you can make your complete Discord moderation features right over here. So as you can see on the moderations, you can simply go ahead and default ban someone, ban time, delete messages if you want to, default mute notifications, and bunch of other stuff that you can play around with here. So invite filter, mention filter, profanity filter, custom word filter, and so on. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.